Hi, my name is Tomáš and I'm a project specialist in Mobilonline. We are one of the biggest smartphone and smartphone accessories retailer in Slovakia. Resale of used smartphones is a big part of our business model. We buy and sell over 10,000 smartphones annually. Before we implemented NSYS in our process, each and every phone had to be visually and technically inspected by our employees in our stores. The customer came to our store and our employee had to visually and technically inspect the state of the phone. It took a long time to inspect each and every feature of the phone. After we implemented NSYS systems in our process, the time the customer had to spend in our store got cut down drastically. The whole process got much smoother and much quicker, and our employee now can be really sure that the phone is in perfect technical state before they buy it from our customer. So the main advantage I see in NSYS is the increase in testing speeds of smartphones. I would recommend NSYS to every smartphone reseller as it is the necessity to efficiently buy and sell used smartphones.